Okay, so let's take a look at how you can manage files, edit files and delete files from your WordPress dashboard using File Manager plugin. So what we can do is go to dashboard, then click on plugins, click add new. Okay, after that simply type in File Manager. There are multiple plugins on this: File Manager, File Manager Pro, WP, File Manager, etc. So choose the one which is suitable for you. I'm going to choose this simple File Manager, and it allows you to use FTP operation with your WordPress blog or website. Okay, so when you are editing too many files, need to upload something or need to replace something from the dashboard itself, you can use File Manager plugin. Now once plugin is downloaded and installed, you can activate it. Simply click on that activate button. Okay, and after that we will be able to check the option WP File Manager. Simply click on that. Here you can see you have pro version access, okay, through this buy pro. Okay, and the default one is this. Okay, when the default one basically gives you access to only 3 directories: admin, content and includes. Clicking on this, you'll be able to see plugins, themes, upgrades. So when you want to only work within these directories, then WP File Manager can be a good option for you to work with. So get the idea how to edit, modify and update your files from WordPress dashboard itself using WP File Manager.